What you just saw is not CGI, not a movie, not sci-fi. This is 2026, and robots have officially left the lab. They're on factory floors, on city streets, and some of them are starting to look disturbingly human. Today, we're going to meet the 4 robots that are quietly rewriting the future. And by the end of this video, I promise you, you will never look at the world the same way again. Let's start with the one that started it all. Boston Dynamics Atlas, 1.9 meters tall, 89 kilograms, 56 joints, every single one rotating a full 360 degrees. For years, we watched Atlas do backflips on YouTube and thought, cool party trick. But 2026 changed everything. Atlas is now deployed inside a real Hyundai manufacturing plant in Georgia, USA. Not as a demo, not as a prototype, as an actual worker. And here's what makes it truly different from anything before it. Atlas runs on Google's Gemini AI. That means it doesn't just follow pre-programmed steps. It sees its environment, understands what's happening, and adapts in real time. Drop something in front of it, it steps around. Change the task, it figures it out. This is not a robot doing tricks. This is a robot thinking. Now let's talk about the robot with the biggest hype. And honestly, it might be earning it. Tesla Optimus Generation 3. Elon Musk once made a claim that sounded absolutely insane. He said, Optimus would eventually be worth more than Tesla's entire car business. The internet laughed. But right now, in 2026, with over 5,000 Optimus units working inside Tesla's Fremont factory, nobody's laughing anymore. Gen 3 moves differently. The hands have 22 degrees of freedom, meaning each finger moves with near-human precision. It can pick up an egg without cracking it, thread a bolt, fold a shirt. These aren't random party tricks. These are exactly the kinds of tasks that have been impossible for robots for decades. And the price target? Musk says under $20,000 per unit. If that happens, every factory, every warehouse, every business on Earth will want one. We're not talking about replacing a few jobs. We're talking about reshaping the entire global workforce. While America builds expensive giants, China is building fast, cheap, and terrifyingly capable. Meet Unitree H2. This robot runs at 3.3 meters per second. That's faster than the average human jogging pace. It climbs stairs, crosses uneven terrain, and carries up to 30 kilograms on its back, all without losing balance. And the price? Roughly $16,000. That's not a typo. Unitree isn't building a luxury product. They're building a robot for the masses, and they're shipping them right now to research labs, logistics companies, and military contractors across Asia and Europe. Here's the part that should make you stop and think. In the time it takes one American company to design and test a new robot prototype, Unitree has already shipped, updated, and iterated 3 generations. Speed is their weapon, and right now, speed is winning. Figure 02 doesn't make headlines as often, but it might be the most commercially ready robot on this list. It's already working on BMW's real production line in South Carolina, handling parts that human workers used to manage. What makes Figure different is the brain behind it. OpenAI's language model built directly into its decision system. You can walk up to Figure 02, give it a verbal instruction, and it will understand, confirm, and execute. Like talking to a coworker. BMW ordered more units before the pilot program even ended. That tells you everything. And finally, the robot closest to your everyday life. Meet 1X Neo. At just 30 kilograms, Neo is built specifically to be safe indoors. No sudden impacts, no risk of injury. Designed to exist in the same space as children and elderly people without anyone feeling threatened. Backed by OpenAI, Neo can hold a real conversation, understand context, remember your preferences, and help elderly or disabled individuals with daily tasks, getting up, moving around, even emotional companionship. The price? $20,000 to own, or just $499 a month to rent. For the first time in history, a humanoid robot can genuinely live inside your home. Not in a factory, not in a lab, your home. 5 robots, 5 companies, 1 unstoppable direction. The question is no longer if robots will change our world, it's how fast. Are you ready? Because ready or not, they're already here. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which robot would you want in your life first? I'll see you in the next one.